2016 Buick Encore. Check engine light was flashing, and that usually means multiple misfire. Found a TSB to clean the intake because it gets carbon buildup inside there, so you got to decarbonize it and then replace the spark plugs. So I decarbonized it, went and took it on a test drive. It's still flashing. It's a lot better than what it was. Bring it back, pull the coil out. I've already got the spark plugs out. Pull the coil out. Here's the coil. Here's the plugs. But here's the coil. See, these just pop out, have a spring inside of them. Sit in there like that. This one is the one that came off of there. This piece is still inside here. So that'd be where my misfire is coming from.